Alright, so this is our test with the IP7000 mid module and HDX. I'm going to go first to Menu, Settings, Basic, Audio, Auxiliary Out, Set to External Speaker. It should probably be in advance so that you don't have end users affecting that. I also have a Polycom video conferencing system. We got a Polycom right here. Yeah, so we have mid module, amplifier, speaker. That's discrete to the IP7000, and then also in the wall here we have some external speakers which are discrete to the HDX, which is over in the rack right here. So what I'm going to do is I will call my cell phone, 917. It asks me audio or video. I'm going to hit, or video or phone. I'm going to hit phone. And we've confirmed now that it's coming out of both the IP7000 and check. Yeah, so it's coming out of both the IP7000 and it's coming out of the speaker from the mid module right here. So I'm going to end this call. Okay, so what we just confirmed was when we have the mid module in place here, audio comes out of both the phone and it comes out of the speaker. But that's better than we had before. Now at least we're getting that. Now we are going to try a video call and then adding an audio. So let me go here, use a Polycom test site. I believe the Massachusetts has audio. So we see now it's coming out of discretely out of the HDX speakers. It's not coming out of the IP7000 phone nor the discrete mid-module speaker, which is different because when you're in audio it also comes out of here. So now let me try to add in audio to this video call. So add phone. Okay, I'm glad that just happened. So yeah, I don't know what happened. All I did was I hit add phone, and I'm going to turn that off. And it said the far site was disconnected, and it just did all that. So let's try that again. Actually, let me first see if that setting got changed. So if we go to menu, settings, basic. I'm not sure if you can see this. The white balance probably is off. Audio, auxiliary, out. No, it's still set to external. Okay. So let's try that again. We go to directory, sample. Let's go to Massachusetts. Polycom, Massachusetts. Network unavailable. That's new. Let's try a different one. Different sample site. So this sample site is not working, I guess. Let's try Massachusetts 2. Okay, that's working. Which it seems louder. Okay, so now we've got Polycom going for video. Let's add audio, add phone. 9-1. So it worked that time, but you notice what it did the last time where it kind of disconnected. So here's my phone ringing. Check. So it's mixing my phone calls audio from the SIP configuration on this back over this HDX Walta cable that's got in the back, the mini VGA or whatever it is, back to the HDX, so it's mixing everything there. But it's not coming over the phone, which it was for audio only calls. And it did do that weird thing with the last time we tried to have a multi-point call where, oh, and that's cool, we can actually control the volume from here. I want to disable that. Yeah, but last time we tried to do it, we hit add phone, and it just disconnected, and then it started having a weird noise here. Let's go back to this setting and make sure the setting's still basic. audio, auxiliary, out. It's still set to external. What we did find though was, like, let's say the phone gets disconnected. Let's say I grab the phone and the Walter gets disconnected. And bear in mind, it's important which gets disconnected first. The network for the min module has to be first, so the phone gets an IP and configured to the SIP, and then the HDX gets connected. So if we disconnect it and reconnect it again, or I guess if the HDX turned completely off, if we go to menu, settings, basic, audio, out, it's set to off here. So by disconnecting that HDX and plugging it back in, it resets this audio out. So that's something also that we would have to keep in mind. External speaker, put that back. So yeah, besides the resetting of that function and that weird multi-point thing that just happened where we were in a video and tried to add in audio, it worked pretty well. Let's try one last thing where we're in audio and add in video. So let me call my phone. And it's still coming out dial tone and end call out of both units, the audio and check. Yeah, so audio is coming out of both. Now let's add video, and we'll do. Let me look up the IP to. Actually, can I just click it like this? Yeah, actually, I can just do it from the screen.
Well, you can with Polycom telepresence.
Check. Cool. So starting with audio and adding in video seemed to work fine. Maybe that issue came up when we were in video and tried to add audio. Maybe I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, that's as it exists right now. The big issues we have are, number one, extending this Walta, or your ceiling 2 cable. We use a stranded Cat 6, which I guess has been working really well for us in the past, but that was kind of hard to figure out. You guys don't have a product really for that exactly. And we had a min module on site at the client site, which we had set it up the same way with the SIP configuration and the min module, and this just would not output audio. So maybe it was a bad unit, or I don't think I was doing something wrong, because I was pretty thorough. I tried different cables, different arrangements, and it didn't seem to work. And then obviously we're going to have to extend this shielded cable you guys have here. I don't want to unplug this because, no, I guess I can unplug it. Yeah, this shield, we have to extend that as well. And now that I unplugged and plugged it back in, it stayed on because it's powered from the HDX. Let's see if it kept that setting. Basic, audio, auxiliary. Now it turned it off. So either time we unplug one of the interfaces, either the HDX or the network cable, it's going to reset that auxiliary or audio out function, which makes the audio only calls go over this speaker here. Alright, so I think that was a pretty decent test, and that's it. Thanks a lot.